If all the nuclear bombs in the world were detonated at the deepest point of the Mariana Trench, would it trigger a world-destroying super tsunami? The answer may not be what you think. The total yield of all the world's nuclear weapons combined is roughly equal to 3 billion tons of TNT. That sounds terrifying enough to blow the world apart. But if the detonation happened in the Mariana Trench, the result would actually be far less dramatic. Because its deepest point is close to 36,000 feet, the water pressure there is about 1,100 times that at sea level. The superheated bubble created by the explosion would be violently compressed by the surrounding seawater, and the energy would be absorbed layer by layer by the massive weight of the ocean. So even if it were really detonated there, the ocean's surface would most likely show only some noticeable disturbance and might not produce the giant tsunami people imagine. The most terrifying thing about it has never been whether it can be blown apart, but that even if humanity threw its most powerful weapons into it, we still might not truly shake it. This is the Mariana Trench, one of the most mysterious deep-sea forbidden zones on Earth. It lies in the Pacific Ocean east of the Philippines, stretching across the seafloor like a gigantic scar. It stretches about 1,584 miles from north to south. Its average width is about 43.5 miles. The most famous part of the trench is called Challenger Deep, with a depth close to 36,000 feet. How extreme is that number? If you flipped Mount Everest upside down and shoved the whole mountain into it, its summit would still be more than 5,000 feet below the ocean surface. At first, a lot of people might think, isn't it just a deeper part of the ocean? But what is truly terrifying is not just the depth. At the bottom of Challenger Deep, the pressure is like stacking 90 adult elephants onto an area the size of a fingernail. And that force is not coming straight down from above. It is crushing in from every direction at once. An ordinary submersible down there could crumple instantly like a soda can. The human body would stand even less of a chance, with no time to even feel pain before it was all over. But pressure is not the only threat down there. Darkness is the second challenge that truly suffocates you. Sunlight can reach only about 656 feet below the surface, and below that, you enter a world completely cut off from the sun. That is not the darkness of an ordinary night, but an absolute kind of blackness. In the depths of the trench, even artificial light can only illuminate a few dozen feet around you. Any farther than that, and there is nothing. Can you imagine it? Above you is tens of thousands of feet of seawater. In front of you, there is no sense of direction. All around you are unknown forms of life, yet you cannot see them, while they may already be watching you in the dark. That feeling of oppression is more real than any horror movie. By all logic, a place like this should barely be able to support life. And yet, there is not only life here, it has evolved some incredibly bizarre ways to survive.